Established in 2000, Rizhao Zhongwei Automobile Part Company Limited specializes in the production of car and truck disc brake pads. The annual producing capacity of our company has reached 6 million sets. Our company can study the formula by ourselves with its fully equipped laboratory. The quality of our brake pads has been increasingly improved with our R&D capabilities continuously enhanced. The products have been tested by Link Transportation Testing Technology Company Limited and been proved to comply with the VESC-3 regulation. Except this, we have also got the certificates of AMECA, ISO 16949, and ISO 9001. Our company has the first-class equipments and superior technology and can produce more than 2,000 types of brake pads. In addition, we can produce brake pads according to the supplied drafts or samples. In the future, we will be dedicated to R&D to expand our product categories. Our mission is to provide our customers with completely satisfying products and services. The brake pads made by our factory are deeply favored by domestic and overseas customers with its good outlook, stable brake power, heavy duty, free of noise, and long lifetime. We sincerely hope to cooperate with customers from home and abroad in technical improvement, information sharing, and product development.